Yes. Keep. Wow, that's actually not bad. Especially with that tap ability. You gain at least one and can gain more. Level 1. There you go. Wait, I don't want to do that. JK. Huh, interesting. So now he's a 6-4. Just gonna keep full flopping in there. Upload. That guy's confusing. Oops. This creature attacks, deals 1 damage to target creature or player. Okay. No, wait till that guy gets big again. Some weird board state I have. I think I could just turn things into frogs. Oh wow. He actually got one where he got more than one sliver creature. That's... Oh, wow. That guy needs to die. That guy needs to die too. I'm so confused how big that guy is. I blocked this guy, but I don't know if he's even gonna swing with that guy. Wow. No plant any islands. Shit. He's got some good stuff. Come at me, brah. Alright, this guy needs to die. I really want to give up both my creatures for it, though. Not really, but I really want it to... Oh, man, he's got that guy, too. Well, this stuff will get smaller if you... Okay. Guess I have to do it. I don't know if that's a good idea. I wish this guy were bigger. I don't know what's... I mean, you know, that's bad, because he's going to turn them into frogs. And they're both going to die. And he's still going to be alive. Yep. Didn't think that one through. I thought about it, and then I didn't realize. Yep, that guy's... I don't know how he got smaller. I don't really understand that. Whenever an opponent casts a spell, deals damage to target. I don't really know how to do that, but... Island walk. All lands are islands in addition to their other types. Hey, there we go. Creatures without flying or island walk can't attack. Nice. Well, that guy can't attack, but he's not really doing much anyway, so... Just because I don't understand what he's doing. Yay, that makes that good. Oh man! Son of a bitch. Yep. Sorry, I'll have to edit that out too. That card's stupid. That card's so stupid. I can't even do anything with it. I don't know how big this guy is. Is he a 6'4" or a 3'2"? I think he's a 3'2". God! Once he dies, I'm gonna get some good stuff back. It's just a matter of killing him. Man. Man, that's frustrating. Come on, something big I can kill that guy with. But, like, here's the thing. I can't even... I need something that I can kill something without attacking. Did that guy... I'm just dead because... He's gonna keep attacking, he's gonna keep destroying my biggest thing. And I can't do anything about it. What's this called? A colossal whale. That whale is annoying. Whale, that's not good. Yep. 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 Yeah, see, I could have killed him if I could have blocked, but I don't even get to that point. Basically just holding out on something that can destroy creatures when it enters the battlefield. Oops. And... or bounces them at least. Something that will get rid of that damn thing. That's not gonna do it. Man. Because it's got summoning sickness. Yup. Come out. What? Why wouldn't you just... That's annoying. No, I don't even get to do that. Like, I can't block? I don't know why you can block there. I'll have to look at that again. If you guys know, if I missed something. If any way any way to get rid of that colossal whale, be a big help. He was quite annoying, but thanks for watching.